Alright, squad, let me flip my screen up just so I can make sure that I am in the video. Alright, squad, today is the last day at ISS. Just checked out the hotel. I did finish the editing the video until this morning. We was out a little bit late, and let me show y'all what the progress is of the video though. It's right there, as you can see. It says it's about 18 minutes. About 18 minutes. It should take me about 15 minutes to get to where I'm going. So by the time I get to where I'm going, the video should be done rendering, and then I just have to compress it and upload it. So I guess I'm gonna be uploading it on the ride home. So y'all be seeing it pretty soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and get over here because people probably waiting on me. Ryan and Joe and all, they probably already there.
T-shirt chick.
Yeah, I already don't know where I'm going. And look, up there, they are having a pride parade. They're having a pride parade. I'm gonna have to go.
Turn left on Commerce Street.
I can't turn left on Commerce Street. They got Commerce Street taken up. Where I go now? Where I go now? They got Commerce Street taking up directions. Where I go now? Let me try to see. Because I just need to get to the parking garage. And it is on Commerce Street, if I am not mistaken. Right, y'all. I don't know. It's craziness going on here, y'all. The cop, I did find out something new. The cop told me that I could park anywhere, by any meter, free on the weekend. So thank God for that. And there is a parade going on over there, y'all, as y'all see. Let me see if I can zoom in on it for y'all. I'm waiting for this video to finish, and then I can run up out of here. But yeah, there's a pride parade going on over there. So I don't know if they're gonna let me cross by their parade or what. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. So I'm trying to wait for this this computer to get done. It says 6 minutes and something. So once they get done, I put my stuff where it goes and get on out. I'm pretty much right across the street from the convention center, so that's where I'm headed right now. They got this parade going on today. Mr. Ezenak did say they was having a parade, so let y'all get a shot of everything. This, I think, is the tail end. Oh no, it's small. Small. Let's see. I'm going to walk out. Go ahead, go. Yeah, so this is the last day. If y'all didn't get to see me on the first day, hopefully I will be up in there today, because I'm gonna be cutting out after this. All right, I'm back again, and if y'all probably remember
Talk to See on YouTube with you guys, a part of the Print Squad, Azara Designs, and just met some fellow Print Squad members. They're going to be joining, and so they're excited about being here at their first event and learning as well.
All right.
What's up, y'all? This is Craig from the STL. I'm doing it big right now, y'all. But when I come back to St. Louis, this is how we're going to do it. Just like this here.
All right.
I'm LaRon from St. Louis. We're also American Airlines workers, fly American Airlines. We need the money.
It's not supposed to be American Airlines.
All right, y'all. I'll check back in shortly. Y'all, right here, this is actually a fully sublimated reversible football jersey. I'm gonna flip it over in a minute and let y'all check it out. All right.
So this is
All right, and this is the other side of it. So you got a whole reversible football jersey, which I think is awesome and I have never seen before. Yeah, that's nice. For 30 seconds?
Just evaporates the moisture.
Is this water base?
It is. It's water base. Now a design. You get to pick one. We'll scroll through here. See one that you just love. We'll print that out for you. Mardi Gras.
Okay, this one right there.
Lost a cat.
Chapstick?
Chapstick, GSG.
GSG graphic. Good thing. That process works.
Do you want it personalized, anything? First name or?
No, I'm gonna take it like that.
Image only? Okay.
I'm gonna take it like that. It'll be fine. She can just keep this right there and do it for you. That's fine. You sure? Yes, ma'am.
Look, they got their own chapstick.
Okay, now you want to focus on here.
I'm behind your way.
You got to hit the button. Is it time to hit the button?
Oh, you can stick it in my bag right there. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hit the button.
All right.
I hit the button for you. Now you come over here and look right here.
Yeah, because this one comes pretty fast.
Almost.
Take us.
Which machine is this? Is it a certain number or?
Direct to garment, DDG. Direct to garment.
This one prints really fast.
Yes.
Like some other ones I've seen, it takes like that. Yeah. So all the brother ones print.
Yeah, that's
I
bad.
was just wondering if it was a certain model. Yeah, that one is fast. Have y'all looked at some of the other DTGs? Because that one is really fast. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I like it.
Very good.
What's the price on this one?
About 21,000, somewhere in that range, about low 20s.
Okay.
Take it higher.
T-shirt.
T-shirt chick.
T-shirt chick. Nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you.
And this is my husband that been talking to you on the chat.
Yes, ma'am.
David.
Text that.
Yeah. Bye, y'all.
All right, y'all. I got a print squad member right here.
Hey everybody, this is Mr. T from Powerhouse Printing. I've been following her for about a year. I learned a lot from her. She's a really good lady, and she gives me positive inspirations every day, help me move forward. But first, I'm here at the ISS. I'm actually based out of Louisville, Texas, so I'm not too far from this show. That's about it, man. You know, I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to meet her.
All right, and he getting ready to start his YouTube channel up, y'all. So
That's right.
Y'all be on the lookout for Powerhouse Printing.
Yep. Powerhouse Printing on YouTube. It's coming.
All right. All right, Print Squad. We got Oscar over here, and we was just over by the GSG booth chatting a little bit. You want to tell him anything?
Just hi everyone, and we have Annie here with T-shirt she just made.
I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little bit later. Right, silly. All right, squad. I'm getting ready to head out here shortly. It is 5:54. I was supposed to leave at 5, but I'm gonna be leaving here shortly. So I guess this is gonna be the ending of the video for today. I don't know if y'all can even see me. I'll probably have to edit this, but I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Y'all make sure y'all check the links below. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, join the Print Squad group on Facebook, and I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.
Thank y'all for watching. Print Squad out.